The fuel tank provides a supply of fuel for the engine. Over time, the steel tank will wear. The interior of the tank has a coating on the metal. When this coating fails, the tank is prone to rust and corrosion. Often, fuel tanks are damaged by other items falling on them while in storage. Replacing the fuel tank is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
Before you perform any repairs to your engine's fuel system, be sure to empty the fuel from the fuel tank. I've already done so let's get started. I'll remove the air filter cover to get better access to the fuel line. I'll remove the fuel line clamp and then pull the fuel line from the carburetor. I'll remove the clamp from the end of the hose. Now remove the plastic trim from around the fuel tank. Now I can remove the fuel tank. It's held in place by 3 fasteners. Now I can remove the fuel line from the underside of the tank. I'll remove the clamp and pull the fuel line from the fitting. Now I'll remove the fuel cap and the fuel line fitting from the old tank. Now I can install the fuel line fitting back into the new tank. Make sure that the filter is in place on this fitting. I insert it into the tank and thread it into place. And I'll reinstall the fuel cap. Now I can reinstall the fuel line. Now I can reinstall the tank assembly back onto the engine. I'll route the fuel line underneath the throttle linkage. Align the tank with the brackets on the engine and secure it with the screws. Now I can reinstall the trim piece. I'll route the fuel line through the opening, align the trim piece with the engine, and secure it with the screws. Now I'll reattach the fuel line. I'll reinstall the clamp, slide the fuel line onto the carburetor, and secure it with the clamp. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the air filter cover. And now you know how to install a new fuel tank on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up